am deeply concerned, not with the allegation that I am an anti-national, but with the manner in which these games are being organized, which does not give much hope at the present moment. I hope I'm wrong. I hope that this old tradition of putting up the pandal will come to our rescue. But I had anticipated these problems. I had tried to find solutions to them. I was overruled at every stage, and now in my frustration I have said what I've had to say. I have nothing further to add.
Okay, I also want to put up on our screen right now, and this has to be the most powerful image of the day, pictures of 11-year-old Priyanka Banerjee, who came in to be part of the first trial event at the Shyama Prasad Mukherjee swimming stadium. Okay, she came in, she's a diver. Just look at what happened to her. One of the tiles on the ground came off. This young girl got injured. Just imagine if this has happened to Matthew Mitchum, Alexander Despati, Emily Hemans, Brian E. Cole, any of the great divers, Mr. Zavadekar, who are coming to India. This young girl getting injured, she's holding her foot and she's hopping. Are you concerned? Because Mr. Kalmadi has said, and we've seen Sheila Dikshit say, this is a small incident, don't hype it up, don't make too much out of it. This can happen to any new venue.
No, but I don't subscribe to this, because this could have been the real excuse 6 months before. When there you have the time, and still you must leave at least 4 months for the practice of the Indian players. Otherwise, what is the benefit of the hosting? Hosting means your local players must get the opportunity to play on the actual stadiums, make practice, all make trial runs, and then participate in the game with the vigor. That's how the host country gets the benefited.
Okay, Lalit Bhanot, one of the key men behind the organizing committee, now joins us. Mr. Bhanot, Manishankar Iyer is live with us at this time, and you've taken grave objection to his comments. He says, what I say will not determine the success or failure of the game. I am only stating facts and representing things for the way they are. Priyanka Banerjee got injured today at the first diving competition at the Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium. Will you just try and dismiss this by being a small incident, or has it come as a wake-up call to the organizing committee, Mr. Bhanot?
I will say that as it is a test event, and the purpose of conducting this test event is only to understand whether the things are okay or it's not okay. If there is any mistake due to which somebody has been injured, I don't know how she has been injured, how she got the injury. So it is for that purpose only, and we will correct it within the next 7-10 days, and it will be all right.
Okay,
if you see the main games.
Okay, the purpose of a trial event, Mr. Iyer, is to look at these lacuna and set them right. That's the contention of Lalit Bhanot. Do you buy that? How do you respond to him, sir?
Mr. Lalit Bhanot is no small person. Next only to Mr. Kalmadi, he is the most important person. And he tells us just now in this program that I don't know what happened, but we will rectify it in 7 days. When an incident like this takes place, several hours ago, one would expect so senior a representative of the organizing committee to tell us what went wrong. And to think that the only purpose of holding tests is to get 11-year-old girls injured seems a curious way of looking upon the purpose of test runs of stadia.
Okay, Mr. Bhanot, the big fear really at this time is, today it happened to Priyanka Banerjee, it could happen to Melissa View, it could happen to Alexander Despati, Matthew Mitchum, any of these top Olympians who are going to be there at the Commonwealth Games. When they're reading about this, which could also be one of the reasons why so many of these top people are deciding not to come and participate, because they're like, I just hope my ankle doesn't get broken or I don't get hurt because of these stadia. That's the big concern at this time.
No, I don't think there is anything to fear. If something has happened, it has happened. I am saying it is, maybe I am not aware what is the exact reason, but definitely I am saying if anything is there, it will be corrected, and the swimming pool is a world class, and it is under slightly because of the blocks. What I personally believe is that the starting blocks have been placed only in the main swimming pool, and if somebody has gone inside there, the starting block has not been placed. So that may be the cause of one injury, but exactly as I told, nothing to fear. and it will be all right within the next 7 to 10 days. There should be no problem at all as far as the swimming pool is concerned.
Okay, Mr. Zavadekar wants to respond to you, Mr.
Actually,
Manoj.
this is the worst explanation ever I have heard, because you can have trial with somebody from the organizing committee. Then they would have got the feel, or really you can't put your players who will be
It is not that
participating
we are
in the
not
game.
having the feel of it. It is not that, no. We don't,
Mr.
we
what
have the
Mr.
feel of
Bhanot
it.
is
That is why
saying-
we are saying.
Go on,
What
Mr. Iyer.
Mr. Bhanot is
Yes,
saying,
if somebody